What every homeowner should know about creating an energy-efficient household. Welcome to your journey towards a cozy, energy-efficient home. Let's start with your HVAC systems. Consider a professional audit to optimize them for energy efficiency. Maintenance is crucial. Change filters every 3 months and schedule annual professional checkups. Switch to smart thermostats. They adjust your home's temperature to your lifestyle, saving energy while maintaining comfort. Focus on insulation. Seal any drafts with weather stripping and caulking for year-round comfort. When you can, upgrade to Energy Star appliances and LED lighting. They're not just efficient, they're smart choices. Embrace natural light, plant trees for shade, and adapt to the seasons. There you have it. Simple steps to transform your home into a haven of comfort and efficiency. Remember, a greener home is not just a dream, it's a choice. Start your journey today and enjoy the benefits of living energy smart.